Okay, so you're going to start out by putting some cornstarch on your surface. This is to prevent the fondant from sticking. Then you're going to knead the tylose powder into your fondant. This is to make it firm, almost like gum paste. Now you're going to roll out your fondant a quarter of an inch thick. I wouldn't go any thinner than that because you want your crown to be sturdy. So now you're going to use your template as a guide to cut around the perimeter as I'm doing here. So now that your crown is cut out, you're going to put it around the parchment covered cylinder and stand it upright, and then we're going to start putting the designs on it. Okay, so using the mold that you would like to use, you're going to push the fondant in the mold and create your pieces. I really sped this up and I didn't do all of those on camera because I'm pretty sure if you've been baking for a while, you know this process. Okay, so I'm going to use clear piping gel to adhere my fondant piece to my crown. If you don't have this, you can use water or edible glue. Just make sure that you don't use too much because you don't want the fondant piece to slide off the crown. If you're wondering why those bottles are there, they're just used to hold the two end pieces up while the crown is drying. Okay, so my crown is now dried and I'm just painting it gold. I waited 24 hours for it to be super sturdy. And this is just a quick clip. I didn't film me painting the entire crown because it's pretty much the same thing. How I'm painting the pieces, I paint the crown. And yeah, I let the crown set for about 3 hours and it'll be completely dry.